Hi, I'm going to try another hair color. The last one, the Schwarzkopf medium auburn, I believe is what it was. I didn't care much for it. I did have quite a bit of gray, you know, that skunk stripe down the center. And it left it like a bright orange. And then on this part, the color wasn't too bad, but it did leave my hair dry and kind of fried, as you can tell. So I'm trying a new brand, Garnier Olia, I believe is what it's called. And this one's a medium golden brown. Now my hair takes really good to color, so I was between the light brown or the medium golden brown. And I should have probably went with the lighter one, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this and see how it turns out. I've never tried this brand before. It says 5.3 medium golden brown. It says it's 60% oils and it's got up to 3 times more shine. Brilliant long-lasting color, 100% gray coverage. It preserves hair strength, and there's no silicones, no parabens, and it's vegan formula, in case you were wondering. So I'm gonna try this Garnier Olia and see how it goes. So let's see what's inside. Probably your typical hair coloring, you know, your developer bottle. What is this? This seems to be, after color conditioner. So we got this and this, and then this is the colorant that you will put into your developer bottle. So we've got that. So pretty much the same as any other cute little bottle, so I must say. And it comes with the gloves, which luckily I have some other gloves because these are always like way big. And it's hard to work with these big honking gloves. So I do have some other gloves that I will use. But pretty much the same thing. You know, you got the sheet with your languages here. And you're going to add this to the developer and shake it. And then what I think I'm going to do, it says all over application, means you color the whole thing at once. But I'm going to do a combination of the all over and the touch up. I'm going to let it sit on the skunk stripe area, see if I can finally get it to blend with the lower part, which is always difficult. Seems like the only time I can ever get that is when I'm at the hair salon. And frankly, I don't want to spend hours at the hair salon. And when I do it at home, I can get other things done at the same time. So again, it says you would leave it on, let's see, leave on here for 30 minutes. So it doesn't say any, it does say leave on hair for additional 10 minutes. Okay, I'll take that back. They're saying for the touch-up application, leave it on for 20 minutes. If you got excessive gray hair, leave 10 minutes longer, so 30 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it on, do the 10 minutes first, and then do the 20 on the bottom, and see how that works out. It should be fine, and hopefully we can get it all blended together. Okay, I mixed it up and put in the top, you know, the kind of the cap area, so that I'll let that sit for 10 minutes, just to make sure that I really get that a little darker than the rest of this. Otherwise, I think it's not gonna work well. Make sure that you, of course, clean up all your skin so you don't have any brown spots everywhere, because Lord knows I was trying to clean some of my actual brown spots. You find out when you color your hair that, oh no, I'm getting old. So anyways, I just wanted to mention that so you don't have it staining your face. I'll keep you updated on when I get it all on and do that last 20 minutes. Okay, I got it on my hair. Now I'm gonna wait 20 minutes and then wash it out. Things that I noticed while I was doing it. First of all, when I opened the first bottle, because I used 2 bottles in order to get it, you know, generously spread. I cut the tip off. I didn't need to cut the tip off. I found that out on the second bottle. Because the first bottle it just poured out. Anyway, the first part I put on went on like normal color. But when I put it on the rest of my hair, it started foaming like soap. It seemed like I got shampoo in there or something. I don't know, but hopefully it works. But yeah, it just was real soapy. Everything turned out really soapy, and I don't know why it didn't do that with when I did the skunk stripe area. So I don't know. We'll see what happens, if it turns out or not. And I'll show you when I'm all done. Well, it got a little darker, but sometimes I think most of the time it does get darker. So I don't know why I don't go with a lighter color, but for some reason I always seem to go a little darker than I should. So let's go wash it out and see how bad. So here's the final result. I think I would like it a little lighter, but the biggest thing that I like, it feels good. It feels silky, really soft, well hydrated. And another thing is that it covered up the two-toneness that I had going on. So I'm really happy about that, because it seems like every time I color my hair, I always end up with the two-tone. And this one was good. It made it all blend and even. So I'm happy with this. I would color it again, this color.